They all good. Alright. Give me a gladiator.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Can I get the gladiator smoothie?
You want chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla?
I haven't had chocolate in a while. Let me get chocolate.
Okay. And what two ingredients?
Which one do you think is great? For somebody like me that's trying to, get in shape, in case I'm having on some Hanes briefs. Gotta stay in shape.
I like the pineapple.
Yeah, let me get the pineapple. She like the pineapple.
Strawberries?
Strawberry cool.
Okay. And what size?
No, I'm a small fry, but a large guy. But I'll take the 20 ounce because I don't need the 32. I'm gonna stay in my 20s forever. Yeah, you like that, don't you?
What did you want? And you got me confused. 20 or 32?
Let me get the 20. I'm gonna stay with the 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Whatever my little man want and the missus want, I got them every day, all day.
That angel food?
Sure.
But do you have like almond milk or something?
I do.
Can I do that instead of the regular?
Yeah.
You know what you want? Huh?
What is the kids one? Sorry.
The kids one right here. You see the little angel?
And what size?
Like 20 ounces.
The chocolate, the apple kiwi manga. You know which one get one?
Let's try to get fit one.
Huh?
Let's try to get fit one.
Get fit, right? So what do you recommend for kids to get fit? He said he want to get fit one. Well, I see the little angel got this.
That one's very popular.
Yeah, let me get that one for him. You want to roll with it got strawberries and bananas in it.
Yes.
Is that fine? All right, yeah. So we gonna roll with the little angel.
Okay.
Still got that dude strap. Wherever you go. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You so nice.
Thank you. So are you.
Thank you. Now, if you ever want to look me up, you can look up Successfuldads on YouTube.
Are you serious? You
Yeah.
have your YouTube channel?
Yes,
That's one of my favorite things.
it is.
YouTube and Facebook.
You want to give me a shout out then and then come see yourself later? You sure?
I will. I'll look you up.
Huh?
I'll look you up.
Okay. Make sure you look me up because I want to see your subscribe later now.
I will look you up.
Okay. I guess you're right with your smoothie. Shout out to Smoothie King. You know, you probably need the endorsement deal after all this. You gotta stay fit. You know, I got nice workers. They're very nice. I love the service. Just want to put it out there. Represent Smoothie King, Successfuldads with. So yeah, Successfuldads. They actually do go to Smoothie King. You gotta get the gladiator. I recommend the gladiator. I've been getting the gladiator for about 10 years, I would say. Probably about 10 years. It's right around staying this way. Can't show too much because, we in another establishment. So I don't want to come out the wrong way. You gotta stay professional at all times. It's cool. I'm getting the gladiator smoothie. They got the gladiator shot, the gladiator and smoothie. Let me go get you out there good promo on Successfuldads teamwork. See, I be outside Successful Dads. Like in actuality, you want to go outside with that gun every day. When there's kids around, other people around, you kind of enjoy yourself. You want to go out and have fun, man. Get you a smoothie or something. Sit in front of the window. Watch the cars go by. Just relax. Like, do you ever relax?
I definitely looked you up earlier.
You forget. You said you would look me up. YouTube.
Yeah.
What's the name?
Jenna.
This your name? No, I was talking about the YouTube. How you gonna find my YouTube? What's my YouTube name?
Successfuldads.
Yeah, Successful
I'll
Dads.
look you up. I'm always on YouTube.
Thank you. I'm coming back to see you. This one mine, right? My little girl. Feel you strong. Gotta make sure it's good, man. Smooth it up. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Get you a smoothie. Man. Make sure you watching your surroundings too. I ain't gonna lie, she was so nice. Thank y'all for tuning in to Successful Dads. If you like the hangs, if you can hang, it's in the description below. Get you a smoothie. Shout out to Smoothie King. They got some nice workers. We'll receive a small percentage from one of the Amazon links below. One of the Amazon affiliate links. Like the GoPro, the Amazon, dude strap, and also the dome cap. We'll come back with the next video with the dome cap. See how we're moving that. But I feel good. You should feel good. The body is a temple. Remain a successful dad.